Coughing is a common reflex action that helps clear the airways of irritants, mucus, or foreign particles. However, persistent coughing can be bothersome and may indicate an underlying health issue. While it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for chronic or severe coughs, many natural remedies can provide relief for mild coughing. This article will explore several effective natural recipes to soothe the cough, ease throat irritation, and support respiratory health. Understanding coughing. Before diving into remedies, it's important to understand the different types of coughs and their potential causes. Dry cough. This type of cough does not produce mucus and can be caused by allergies, dry air, or respiratory infections. Wet cough, also known as a productive cough, this type produces mucus and is often associated with colds, bronchitis, or pneumonia. Chronic cough, a cough that lasts more than 8 weeks, may be a sign of a more serious condition, such as asthma, chronic bronchitis, or GERD. Natural remedies for coughing. Here are some simple natural recipes and remedies that can help soothe coughing. 1. Honey and lemon tea. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: in a cup, mix the honey and lemon juice. Add warm water and stir until well combined. Drink this tea 2-3 times a day. Benefits: honey has natural antibacterial properties and can help soothe a sore throat, while lemon provides vitamin C and aids in boosting the immune system. This tea can help alleviate coughing and throat irritation. 2. Ginger tea. Ingredients: 1-2 inches fresh ginger root, slice 2 cups water, honey optional, lemon juice optional. Instructions: boil 2 cups of water in a pot. Add the sliced ginger and let it simmer for 10-15 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup, then add honey and lemon juice if desired. Benefits: ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe the throat and reduce coughing. It also helps break down mucus and can provide relief for respiratory issues. 3. Turmeric milk. Ingredients: 1 cup milk or plant-based milk, 1-2 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, honey optional. Instructions: in a saucepan, heat the milk over low heat. Add turmeric and black pepper, stirring well. Sweeten with honey if desired and drink warm before bedtime. Benefits: turmeric contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This warm drink can help soothe the throat and reduce coughing, especially at night. 4. Salt water gargle. Ingredients: 1-2 teaspoons salt, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: dissolve the salt in warm water. Gargle the mixture for 30 seconds and then spit it out. Repeat 2-3 times a day. Benefits: gargling with salt water can help reduce throat inflammation and clear mucus, providing relief from coughing and sore throat. 5. Herbal cough syrup. Ingredients: 1-2 cup honey, 1 tablespoon dried thyme or 2 tablespoons fresh thyme, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Instructions: combine honey and thyme in a small saucepan over low heat. Stir until the mixture is well combined, and then remove it from the heat. Add apple cider vinegar and mix well. Let it cool and store in a glass jar. Take 1 tablespoon as needed. Benefits: thyme has been traditionally used for respiratory issues and can help relax the throat muscles, reducing coughing. Honey enhances the flavor and provides soothing properties. 6. Apple cider vinegar drink. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 cup warm water, honey optional. Instructions: mix apple cider vinegar with warm water in a cup. Sweeten with honey if desired. Drink this mixture once or twice a day. Benefits: apple cider vinegar may help break down mucus and soothe the throat. Its antibacterial properties can also support overall respiratory health. 7. Peppermint tea. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dried peppermint leaves or 1 peppermint tea bag, 1 cup boiling water, honey optional. Instructions: place the peppermint leaves or tea bag in a cup. Pour boiling water over it and steep for 5-10 minutes. Strain or remove the tea bag, then add honey if desired. Benefits: Peppermint contains menthol, which can help relax the throat muscles and alleviate coughing. It also acts as a natural decongestant, aiding in the relief of nasal congestion. 8. Onion and honey syrup ingredients: 1 medium onion, sliced. 1 2-cup honey. Instructions: layer the sliced onion in a glass jar. Pour honey over the onion slices, covering them completely. Seal the jar and let it sit for 24 hours. Strain the syrup and store it in a clean jar. Take 1 teaspoon as needed. Benefits: onions have natural antibacterial properties and can help boost the immune system. This syrup can help alleviate coughing and soothe the throat. Lifestyle tips to manage coughing: in addition to these remedies, consider incorporating the following lifestyle changes to help manage coughing. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of fluids to keep your throat moist and help thin mucus. Humidify the air: use a humidifier in your home to add moisture to the air, which can soothe irritated airways. Avoid irritants: stay away from smoke, strong odors, and allergens that can trigger coughing.